Hi, in front of me is the DOOGEE T20 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app. Following that, choose Alarm at the top left corner and tap on those three dots at the top right one. Then select Settings and manage all of them under Alarms however you wish to, like volume buttons, control. When you finished, go back and add your alarm by tapping on this plus icon. Finally, set up an hour and hit OK. Now you can tap on Repeat and set up days of the week. I will go with Mondays and Wednesdays. When you're ready to save your changes, click on OK as well. Now click on Ringtone. Tap on Add New at the top and pick music from your device by tapping on any song that you wish to add. As you can see, I don't have any, so I have to go back and choose one of those, like Fireflies. Now you can also click on this square next to Vibrate to disable or enable vibrations. Then click on Label, label your alarm if you wish to, and tap on Silence after. You need to apply the best option for you by clicking on it. I will go with 25 minutes. As you can see, after all that, my alarm was successfully created. If you wish to hide all of those settings, click on the bottom right corner of it. You can switch off your alarm completely by clicking on this red sweater. Then turn it back on by tapping on the gray one. In order to get rid of your alarm, select bottom right corner of it and tap on Delete at the bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!